So here we are, we made it up top. There's Lounsbury's, there's our house down here. Canyon Mountain Wilderness. This goes on for miles and miles and miles, all the way to Zion. There's El Capitan, well, our El Capitan, we call it El Cap here in Colorado City. There's Dan again.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Nope. There's the van. On the other side of that's where those petroglyphs were that we just showed you. But just a beautiful, beautiful spot. Great weather. Just mild. Sun finally came out. Grand Canyon is over there somewhere, way on the other side of that. Beautiful spot.